Hi everybody, and hello my wolf pack. Thank you all for watching. This is Mystic with Mystic Shepherd Gaming, and today I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube shorts from your PlayStation 4 or 5, then go to your PC and have a short video that you can upload to YouTube. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into new projects, which you know how to make videos if you're looking at this. You're just trying to figure out how do I get it formatted properly and things like that. Pick the the clip that you want, rename it. You are going to have to probably cut it short because, as I found out, you can never really name it the full name until you go to actually upload it. So blah 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 is my name from the clip. Here we are, and you want to go ahead and edit that type of thing. Oh, this is really not the clip that I actually even used in my YouTube short video for vampires and werewolves. I'm showing you here the different things that you can actually do in Share Factory. The things that you can do are actually pretty awesome, and it is why also it is very difficult for me to try and learn a new program or software, whatever you'd like to say, on the PC, because they make it so user-friendly, so easy in the PlayStation on Share Factory that other things are just like really hard to me. Anyway, so now you go ahead and you click Options, Save Project, click OK, then you click Options again, and you're going to export to Gallery. Once you export to Gallery, it'll tell you that it is rendering. Just like when you upload it to YouTube, here you'll press Share Later, because you're not going to go to YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter. Just Share Later. It's already in your capture gallery, and you're golden. So now you're going to click out of that, go over to your storage, capture gallery, Share Factory, and then video clips. And here we are with the blah 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 video. You're gonna press Options again. Once you do that, you have the option to click that and copy to USB. Now I'm using Shotcut, and in here, make sure that what I'm doing, you do every time you click it. If you use Shotcut, vertical HD, make sure, even though it's already set, click it. Go to settings. There's a reason, because for some reason it's kind of weird and it doesn't always want to do it. So vertical, click it. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add your file. Now that's, of course, if you're using Shotcut. If you're using other things, I'm sure you only have to tell it once. I don't know. You click the video that you want.
Well,
oh, sorry about that. Let me go ahead and set that back to the beginning. So here we are. Once you've got it in there, you've selected your video. Go down one more time, and yes, you really must, if using Shotcut, have to click it one more time, because if you get past this point and you pull it down, it will not save it in the proper context or proper resolution. Sorry. So now you're going to go over to Filters. Click the plus sign. Once you click on that, you're going to go down to Size, Position, and Rotate. Now you're going to go to the right side of the size, and you're going to change that to 1920. Yeah, 1920, which is the vertical position you want. And I think 3500 is the highest size on the left side that you can be. So here you are. It's perfectly put in there. You don't even have to do anything more.
What do I want to do
I'm showing you
today?
here. This is how it looks. At this point, you could put your text or whatever else, and you've got it where you want it. Click Export. Right there, click it. You click Export, then Export File. And you tell it, I usually save it to desktop or a YouTube file, and then it's going to go ahead and put it there. I really hope that this helped. Then you would, of course, import it into YouTube. You'd go to your account, smash that like button, ring the bell to be alerted, and hit subscribe. Take care, my wolf pack. Thank you all for watching. Have a great weekend.